How many of you guys want to make more money? With your hands? All right, so cool. Today, we're gonna start with Maureen. Maureen, sweetheart, how was class this weekend with me? You spent this entire weekend. It was like 6 hours each day, Saturday and Sunday. How was class for you?
It was so much to absorb. I just love it. Like, I just can't wait to start. You know, it's just fun, and everybody here, like even in book club, everybody is just funny and everybody gets along, and it's just a nice community to like be a part of. So I'm super excited. I feel like I learned so much and have 50,000 questions for you, but you know, I'm sure that'll come as we get started.
And I absolutely love that, right? Now, sweetheart, and I love you, I appreciate you. I want you to not ask questions, but I want you to be in earning mode. So think of it, if your focus is on earning dollars, are you asking questions? And again, it's a confidence issue, right? Most of us believe that, and this is part of what I was teaching yesterday and for the past 2 days, we need more, we need more, we need more, and then there's never enough. We could never learn enough things. Like the world is infinite. There's never gonna be a time when we feel like I know everything in the world. There's never gonna be that moment. Even if I'm like Danovan and I learned Greek, which black guys learn how to speak Greek, but this guy is awesome, so I love him. But let's just say, even if I turn around like Danovan and I learn how to speak Greek, I'm gonna probably wanna speak Danish after. Or I'm probably gonna wanna speak Polish. Or I'm gonna wanna speak Romanian. You know what I'm saying? There's never enough of learning. Where if we go into that cycle, we're always gonna find something to learn. I have an aunt. She has like, I swear to you, like 3 master's degrees. And she still works for Disney for like $30 an hour. What are the masters for? Why? Because she's just addicted to learning information. How many of you guys feel like you are addicted to learning? Just addicted to learning information, great. But I'm saying, hey, when is it gonna be enough? Never. You guys have to step outside of this learning realm and start saying, hey, you know what? I have enough information to start moving forward. Let me take what I have and start implementing it. That's what we have to start doing. But I literally had someone complaining in customer service, telling me some crap, and I'm like, or telling our customer service people some crap. I'm like, bro, what else do you want to learn? What else do you want to learn? Sweetheart, check this out. If you learn too much, Maureen, you know what happens? Analysis paralysis. How many of you guys ever received analysis paralysis? Wiggle your hands. You have so much freaking information that you just don't even know what the fuck to do with it anymore. This is why I teach the way that I teach. Let's eliminate analysis paralysis. I give you guys just enough so you can start implementing and doing. Maureen, sweetheart, you are perfect. The information that you have right now is more than enough to earn you your first $1,000. The information that you have is more than enough to earn you your first $10,000, $20,000, $50,000. Put that in your mind. Guys, you guys are all here. The same thing that I teach you is the same thing that my affiliates are doing. Trang that has made $500,000 is the same exact, correct and correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And I displayed it to you guys and I showed you guys. What else more do you want to know? Everything else is going to be a distraction. I don't want to keep feeding you guys more information. I feed you more information, yeah, you feel fulfilled, you feel great, like you're learning something, but are you actually going to do anything about it? Yes or no?